Today I'm going to be reviewing Motorenbau. This is what it looks like here. Portable car pump with almost a 10-foot cord. I am going to test this outside, but I wanted to open the box and show this to you. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. So this is what it looks like. Not very big. As you can see, there's my hand. Everything you need. This does just screw into the tire. These aren't my favorite because you lose air as they go in, but it does work. What's nice, you've got your display here. It will actually tell you the tire pressure. And then let's say your tire pressure is 36. You can put in 36 into here and it will pump it to there and then shut off. Power on, power off right there. This is your light button right here. You also are going to get this little packet here to be able to pump all sorts of different items right there. And you even get a fuse. Once you get that adapter on, then you can put these in there to pump the balls or whatever you need. So it's a very versatile thing, inexpensive, fits in your car, so you can take it with you on the go. All right, so here we go, plugged in. Just, you know, this is one of those that you screw in there. So if you're not fast, you'll lose a lot of pressure. Kind of push up against it while you're screwing it in, it slows it down. What's nice is it gives you your tire pressure. I don't know if you can see that, 29.9. And I've set it, you actually set it to where you want it to go up to. I want to go to about 36.9 right there, and then we're going to start it. All right, I had some video issues, but anyways, this is what it looks like. It's going in and it pumps it. You just set it to where you want it to go. For instance, I set it for 36.9 and it will go. Now, it's not as fast as they say it can pump. I don't know if I did something wrong, but that doesn't bother me because I like to be able to just set it and forget it. So it pumps up your tires, it works, and it shuts off once it hits the pressure you want. The only suggestion I'd say is maybe pump it up a little bit over what it says. So 36, maybe an extra 1 pound of pressure. So when you do unhook it, it works. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.